So I thought I'd treat you all to another video of the Hoover NeXtra, and this time we're going to be trialling out the daily 29-minute cycle at 40 degrees. I have got a sort of woolen fleece loungewear type thing, you could say, that I brought from Primark. So we're just going to freshen it up in here on a nice short cycle. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. So obviously the shock's still bad. I have ordered new ones which should be coming on Monday or so, and I'll fit that. So kind of keeping it to smaller loads at the moment. And for this one I'm going to put the limescale tablet in the drum. It's got burgers. It's nothing too extravagant for this one. Using some Co-op own brand sensitive non-biological. I don't want too much, just about that much in there will do. And then I am using Comfort's honeysuckle and sandalwood conditioner, which was kindly given to me by Charlie. Oh, it smells good. Just turn that all the way around. It says 40 degrees, so I'll turn that to 40. And spin speed, I'm not sure, probably 800, but I'll turn it around to 1400 anyway, so it's the maximum spin. And I'll do a spin at the end. What can we have on here? We can have a pre-wash. Time saver on a daily 29. And pure rinse. We don't need any of those. Or fast iron, so we're going to start. Enjoy. Let's see how this works. I do question though it being daily 29, but its machines are cold fill only, so how on earth is that going to work? Much better. Well, that's good in my light. I've also got my tumble dryer out on the balcony, which is being dried there now. I'm sorry about my cough, guys. And it must be annoying you all. Annoyed me today as well. There you go, excuse for another video. Because why not? Because I love you all and you're just all amazing, and you know. And I want to try and get as much filmed with this machine as possible. That's the limescale tablet. Yeah, and it will knock a bit. That started at about 14 minutes ago. So at 17:38 that started. Still talking about water. At least this flushes it straight into the drum. Kind of. No, it doesn't fill through the side of the drum. There we go. That's a bit better now. Still topping up. So we're heating to 40 degrees Celsius now, and it's only got 30 minutes. It's on the 30-minute mark on the. Yeah. Bit more suds forming there too. Don't think I'll get any videos out over the weekend, so hopefully the next time you do see this machine on the channel, she's got new shock absorbers. The ones it's using are very similar to the Bosch style ones, and the replacement ones remind me of like the later Indusat type, so like a Hotpoint WMA affair. It's draining now, so I don't know if that's going to spin or anything. To make it spin. $400 might be all we do. What's going on? Yeah, I'm going to struggle with the blind again.
No.
Yeah.
I've got it right now. You like the flowers?
Yeah. First rinse. Oh god, here we go. That is how bad the shock absorbers are on this thing. That's good.
That's what you like.
Right. Some forward spin now it is. Well no, it probably doesn't spin on that cycle. Tolerance. Final spin, 3800. Stop that in case that goes wacko again. Now we're fine. $400. go. It's complete. I'm going to put it on a spin afterwards. Nice and fresh. Right, that was the daily 29-minute cycle. Did actually do that in 29 minutes. Probably didn't reach 40 degrees though. But oh well, it's not for watching all these other items. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.